Instagram is building a standalone app just for shopping. Hey guys, I'm Alfonso Santinello. Welcome to Digital Scoop. Before we get started, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay up to date on all things digital marketing. Facebook is planning a huge move into e-commerce, with Instagram planning to launch its own shopping app in a few months. Over the past few years, Instagram has been rolling out shopping-like features, for example, being able to tag products in your Instagram posts. Over the last few months, they've expanded to 8 other countries, as well as testing out shopping ads on Instagram stories as well. The app, which could be called IG Shopping, because they're really creative with their app names, will let users browse the collection and be able to purchase right directly in the app. I wonder what they're going to have it look like, if it's going to look like the Instagram app currently, or if it's going to be a whole new user experience in the mobile app. No one's really sure when it's going to launch. I've looked everywhere in all the sources, and no one really knows exactly when. Some have even said they may even scrap the whole thing altogether if it doesn't work out the way they want it to. So IG Shopping won't be the first spin-off app that Instagram has created. A few months ago, Instagram introduced IGTV to compete against YouTube, where users are allowed to upload up to 1 hour in video. They're also working on another app called Direct, which will be a messaging app that will be connected to the Instagram's account. With the success of Facebook's Messenger app, it makes sense that Facebook really wants to duplicate the success and give businesses more advertising options, and then in turn they can make more money. According to Sheryl Sandberg of Facebook, 4 out of 5 users on Instagram follow at least one business. Creating a standalone app will help merchants really sell their products, not just on regular Instagram, but on the shopping app itself. Do you think you're going to be posting more content or less, or do you think you're actually going to shop? Let us know in the comments below. That's all we have for today. My name is Alfonso Santinello. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay up to date on all things digital marketing. Until next time.